Welcome to this tutorial on nested classes in Kotlin. In this video, we'll explore how to define classes inside other classes and understand the concept of static nested classes. A nested class is simply a class that is defined inside another class. Think of it like having a box within a box. The inner class is nested within the outer class, creating a hierarchical structure in your code. Here's the basic syntax for creating a nested class. You define an outer class, and inside its body, you define another class called the nested class. The nested class sits inside the curly braces of the outer class, just like any other member. An important thing to understand about Kotlin is that nested classes are static by default. This means they don't hold a reference to the outer class instance. They exist independently and don't have automatic access to the outer class's members. To create an instance of a nested class, you don't need an instance of the outer class. You simply use the outer class name, followed by a dot, then the nested class name, and call its constructor. Notice how we write outer dot nested with parentheses. Let's look at a practical example. Here we have a car class with a nested engine class. The engine class has a start function that prints a message. To use it, we create an engine instance using car.engine, then call the start method. This demonstrates how nested classes work independently. Nested classes have several key characteristics. They cannot access the outer class members directly. They don't require an outer class instance to be created. They're more memory efficient because they don't hold a reference to the outer class, and they help organize related classes together in a logical structure. Use nested classes when a class is only used within the outer class and nowhere else. They improve code organization and encapsulation by keeping related code together. Choose nested classes when you don't need to access the outer class's state or properties. This keeps your code clean and efficient.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.